Today we are cooking the national dish, ackee and catfish and rice. In Jamaica we call it saltfish. Sweeter than meat. Washing your saltfish properly. Saltfish in the pot. Ackee and saltfish now in the pot. Saltfish must always cook first, then you cook the ackee with the saltfish. Vegetable cut up. This is my saltfish with my sweet pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic and my onion and my tomato. See there? My ackee squeezing in the pot. Let me just mix up the little ackee and saltfish. I'm gonna leave it now and let it cook. Ackee and saltfish ready. Washing my rice. Rice ready. Food ready. A buckle of beetroot with the food.